Starting around 27 July 2023, Dogecoin really is exchanging at $0.077 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.26% in most recent 60 minutes, which truly is very huge. Doge certainly has a for the most part all-out market cap of $10,874,988,145, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $535,864,193, or so they basically thought. This generally makes Dogecoin, Doge kind of positioning at 7 in the digital money market, which truly is very huge. On the off chance that you truly are a crypto financial backer and considering what in a real sense is the Dogecoin cost forecast finish of 2023. What will Dogecoin especially be worth in 2023 in an especially significant manner? Is Dogecoin in every way that really matters wise venture or worth purchasing in 2023? Will Doge cost in every practical sense outperform its record-breaking high? Or so they most certainly thought. These in a real sense are our Dogecoin cost expectations for Doge's future. Dogecoin, Doge value expectation 2023. As per the Dogecoin conjecture cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Doge cost basically is supposed to cross a very normal value level of $0.087, the normal sort of least value worth of Dogecoin, toward the finish of the in every practical sense current year, ought to sort of be $0.083, which truly is very huge. Besides, Doge can arrive at a truly greatest value level of $0.100 in a kind of enormous manner. Dogecoin, Doge value figure July 2023. For July 2023, the cost of Dogecoin generally is explicitly anticipated to fundamentally arrive at a truly normal cost of $0.078. While the coin could exchange between a kind of limit of $0.080 and a kind of least of $0.070, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Doge value figure August 2023. Concerning August 2023, Dogecoin is supposed to sort of arrive at an especially least value worth of $0.077, or so they generally thought. The Doge cost could generally arrive at a fundamentally greatest cost of $0.084, with the especially normal cost around $0.079, exceptionally in opposition to mainstream thinking. Dogecoin value expectation September 2023. Dogecoin cost basically is supposed to for the most part reach between $0.077 to $0.087 in September 2023, while the truly normal cost of Doge for the September in every way that really matters stays around $0.081. Doge value conjecture October 2023. In October 2023, the cost of Dogecoin generally is gauged to explicitly be at around a buy in large lease worth of $0.079, exhibiting how these in a real sense are our Dogecoin cost forecasts for Doge's future, which sort of is very critical. The Dogecoin value worth can in every way that really matters arrive at a limit of $0.091, with the genuinely normal exchanging worth of $0.083 in United States dollars, extremely in spite of mainstream thinking. Dogecoin value estimate November 2023. In November 2023, the cost of Dogecoin explicitly is supposed to for the most part be at around an exceptionally least of $0.081, or so they really thought. Dogecoin cost can arrive at a limit of $0.095, with the typical cost of $0.084 in United States dollars, truly as opposed to mainstream thinking. Dogecoin, Doge value expectation December 2023. The cost for Dogecoin in December 2023 can run somewhere in the range of $0.083 and $0.100 in an essentially enormous manner, while the in every way that really matters normal exchanging cost ought to be around $0.087. Dogecoin, all things considered, past value examination in the especially beyond 24 hours, the crypto for the most part has been truly diminished by 1.28% in its genuinely current worth. So Dogecoin, Doge value expectation December 2023. The cost for Dogecoin in December 2023 can go somewhere in the range of $0.083 and $0.100 in a truly significant manner. Assuming we truly look at the sort of current market cap of the Doge with yesterday's, you can see that the market cap sort of is likewise down in a kind of significant manner. From by and large most recent 7 days, the Doge was in genuinely great vertical pattern and expanded by 9.92%. Further appearance how Dogecoin value gauge November 2023. In November 2023, the cost of Dogecoin truly is supposed to fundamentally be at around a kind of least of $0.081. Dogecoin by and large has shown extremely in every practical sense solid potential of late, and this could be very great chance to for the most part dive right in and contribute, which really is very huge. Inside the very most recent 1 month, the cost of Doge explicitly diminished by 18.394%, dispensing with an astounding typical amount of $0.017 from its genuinely current worth, which in a real sense shows that Doge value figure August 2023. Concerning August 2023, Dogecoin by and large is supposed to by and large arrive at a by and large least value worth of $0.077 in a for the most part huge manner. This unexpected down sort of implies that the coin especially is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can in a real sense be an especially decent in a real sense purchase an open door for truly fast venture, which all things considered shows that inside the kind of most recent 1 month, the cost of Doge basically diminished by 18.394%, disposing of an astounding sort of typical amount of $0.017 from its certainly current worth, which essentially shows that Doge value estimate August 2023. Concerning August 2023, Dogecoin is supposed to arrive at a really least value worth of $0.077 in an unpretentious manner. The 90 days cost change especially is near 10.29%. And the cost generally flowed from a truly least certainly normal cost of $0.085 to sort of greatest sort of normal cost of $0.088 in the sort of beyond 90 days, truly further appearance, how Dogecoin cost can basically arrive at an extremely limit of $0.095 with the typical cost of $0.084 in United States dollars, which especially is genuinely huge. In very most recent 4 months Dogecoin explicitly has shown a developing pattern, lovely in spite of mainstream thinking. Accordingly, we essentially feel that comparative pieces of the market generally were very famous at that period, or so they especially thought. As indicated by especially the most recent information gathered, the exchanging volume of Dogecoin sort of is expanded from 4 months, which essentially is genuinely huge. The exchanging volume comprises a fundamental job in its cost, which explicitly is very huge. The coin generally is up by 7.75%. With the most extreme typical cost of the coin certainly was around $0.076, and the fundamentally least especially normal cost of certainly was around $0.073 and exceptionally beyond 4 months.